Welcome everybody, it is Crypto Moose and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. What we're going to do on this episode is guide you step by step how to swap ADA for Night. So this is going to be how to buy Midnight. So guys, Midnight just launched. It's worth roughly 6 cents right now. So guys, if you do get something out of this, like, comment, subscribe, let me know what other tutorials you would like to learn here on the channel. Keep in mind, nothing on this episode is financial advice. You're listening to a loose moose. So let's dive right into it. The first thing I want to start out with is before we get started, you need to have a Lace wallet set up. Okay. So we have in the comment section, as well as in the description of every video on this channel, we have our link tree. Use it. It will take you to Lace. Set up a Lace wallet. If you do not know how, all you're going to do is go to the channel, type in Lace wallet tutorial, or just Lace wallet. It should come up. So let's search that. So Lace wallet tutorial 2025. This is probably the best one for you to watch. Actually, the team at Lace, they reached out and we might be doing some partnership stuff as well. So guys, definitely set up a Lace wallet. This is going to be the premier wallet for Cardano, especially if you guys are still trying to redeem tokens or using a Ledger or Trezor with Lace. This is going to be your best bet. So have a Lace wallet set up. It looks like this in the top right. So I'm just using a hot wallet. It's got a little bit of ADA, hopefully enough. Quite a bit of, what is that? Infinity Rising. Okay, I have some Rise tokens. That's good. So anyways, that's the first thing you want to do. And then the second thing, what I recommend you to do is keep in mind that the token price is going to fluctuate a lot. So right now there's probably not a lot of liquidity. That's why I didn't do the video yesterday. So as there's more liquidity on the DEXs, so there's a lot on centralized exchanges like Binance, OKX, Kraken, but there's not a lot of liquidity on DEXs. So keep that in mind. I recommend to even wait another day or two and wait for more liquidity. Otherwise, you're going to pay egregious fees. So if we look here, okay, so get your Lace wallet set up. That is number one. And then, you know, just be weary of all that. So if we look, 6 cents, let's call it 6 cents in this video, 6 to 7 cents. It's $1 billion market cap, which is good, but this is what we want to look at. So we're going to zoom in, and under coin market cap, you're going to see contracts. You want to make sure you are acquiring the token that ends in 474854. Okay. So you can even copy that. Okay. So you can hit copy. I believe it's on the Binance Smart Chain as well. The reason you want to do that is because there's going to be a lot of scam tokens out there. So just a fun thing for you to remember. So the first step, okay, and maybe I'll redo this for you. We're going to connect our wallet. So set up your Lace, connect your wallet. So we're going to connect Lace. Very simple. You may have to just put in your password. So you're going to go to minswap.org. Okay, so once you're there, even on the homepage, it's probably here. You're going to type in Night. Okay, and again, contract 474854. Okay, so you could probably paste in as well. Verified tokens. Let's just put in Night. But anyways, you want to make sure it ends in 474854. And that's how you can ensure that you have the right token. Okay. So we're going to swap ADA for Night. I'm doing this for a tutorial. I want this to be simple and easy. So here you could just put, let's say 10 ADA. You're going to get 70 Night. Okay. So you're going to see all the info, batcher fee, trade now, slippage tolerance. So one Night, roughly 0.14 ADA. So it's about 7. That's not bad. That's not bad, actually. So I don't know the actual liquidity of this, but because it's going to fluctuate anyways. But that's how you're going to do it. So you can do that. You can hit trade now. Maybe we'll just do that for one, and then we'll show you another way. So here we're going to put in our password, or we're going to confirm. Okay, so we're going to put that in. Comment down below if you are doing this as well. And there we go. So our transaction has been successfully completed. So if we go to our lace, I don't know how much time this is going to take, but we should see Knight eventually. So I've never owned Knight yet. I'm eligible to claim. For those of you that watch, obviously you know that. But what we can do as well, let's go to receive. We're going to, oh, I guess it's $hockey.ada. So we're going to go here. We're just going to go to pool.pm, and we're going to put in $hockey.ada, and we'll see if we have any Knight in this wallet. NVL. Nope, no Knight. Not yet. Okay, so we got 29 ADA here. So this is a visual representation of our wallet. Let's go through our orders. So it says it's completed. It might be up here. There we go. So we now have 70 Knight worth $4. $4 crazy dollars. So really cool. So we have Knight. Let's see if it shows up here. If we hit a refresh. So visually, I don't see it on pool.pm, but it is in our wallet. So that's epic. It's basically that easy, guys. So just make sure you set up your Lace wallet. Have enough ADA for the cost. And here, if we go to swap, we should now own some Knight. Wonder if we could just like this. So we have 70 Knight we can now play around with. So here we could trade for min chart unavailable. Let's see. So it looks like there's enough liquidity where, you know, the price is not too bad here. Okay. So that's another way too. You can go to trade swap. There are other dexes as well, but guys, it's that simple. Just make sure that you are on the proper website. Go to minswap.org, set up your Lace wallet, and comment down below what other tutorials you would like to see here on the channel. We may also make it easier by adding another link to Linktree. Of course, you guys can take an online course. This will help get you started. If you have never done a lot with ADA, definitely take this course. It's free. It's right here on the channel too. So it comes with the workbook, everything for free. So Lace, Midnight. So that's something that's coming out as well. Soon we will be able to redeem our Knight. So I'm still waiting for that day. 75 days to get this 1,000 Knight. How much would that be worth then? So let's go here. So I have 1,001 on one wallet. So 66 bucks, and I have almost 8,000 in another. So almost 500 USD. Not bad. Guys, let me know how many Knight tokens you have. Let me know if this video helped. That being said, guys, the moose is loose. We'll see you in the next one.